Today we had a kickoff of our new PolarCell, which is a lean manufacturing assembly cell that we put together to service the commercial refrigeration market for ammonia and R134A type can motor pumps.
So today we invited visitors from our corporate office in Japan. They were here to witness us nameplating the first pump that we produced in our Polar Focus factory. This was a project that was conceived strategically to bring more jobs to the U.S. and also to reduce lead times so that we could support our customers in the U.S.
What we ended up doing was having visitors from Japan, our CEO, our executive director, who used to be president of Teikoku USA, and the international business director here. And we were basically presenting the work we had done in the investment with the cell.
So we started in the conference room and gave a presentation of the background, of the strategic reasons for the project, and then a layout of how the project teams work together to do the project and actually achieve our goal of 4 to 6 week lead time. Then we brought the group out to the actual Focus factory and walked them through the various key areas. So we started by cutting a red ribbon. We went to the inventory area, which is the area that replenished. So finished components from that area feed into the cell where the operators are able to actually use local use inventory to build the product. We demonstrated then how the impellers are trimmed and balanced, and then moved into a Hygienka board area, which is how the workers will understand the priority of work for the day. From there we moved into the area where the pump is actually assembled. So there's some sub-assembly of a rotor, and then that rotor gets slid into the stator. From there is a pressure integrity test done. We designed the test stand within the Polar Focus factory to be able to handle 4 pumps at one time. So we've got 2 separate dedicated tanks with redundancy among the test loops so that we can do our highest volume pumps and allow one pump to be being set up while another pump is being run. So after our visitors witnessed the whole cell tour, we had this very special celebration where we were able to collaboratively place the first nameplate onto this pump, which really represented some significant teamwork between our folks in Japan and our folks here in the U.S. All employees were there on hand to be able to see this. Our president spoke to us and talked about how he looked forward to the future collaboration with Teikoku USA and thanked us all very much for our hard work on the project. So at the end, we had a traditional Japanese ceremony where we were able to place sacred sake, rice wine, on the first product, which is to bless the product and wish good luck moving forward.
So what we ended up doing was moving about 900 units a year of production from Japan into the United States with this cell and setting it up for the sole purpose of really becoming more responsive to customer needs in the marketplace. We lead the market in the sale and distribution of these pumps, and we want to get better by decreasing our lead times to the field and increasing our competitiveness.